You probably know Dietrich for our high-quality glass-lined reactors. But did you know we can also quickly and easily add the required overheads and accessories to complete your reactor system? Integrating overhead condensers and receivers, along with required piping, valves, and instrumentation, we can build a comprehensive, modular design system that fits the constraints of your process, space, and budget. Our engineering capabilities reach beyond the scope of single reactor systems. We can also retrofit complete bays or build new plants, from standard prepackaged systems to fully customized solutions and everything in between. Contact Dietrich Process Systems today so we can begin discussing the needs of your business.